Guys, to visit here Puelo Sea Farm, it's very beautiful.
Look at the view, guys.
Hindi pa na, ito na.
How is it, boys? Sir,
So good.
check the view. This is the house. Wow, check it out.
Kanin na.
Tuloy daw na. Look at the view, guys. It's wonderful. It's sea farm which is in Puelo village. Everyone is taking picture, busy on their works. There's our lecturer there taking picture. Roko, video.
Hello. Right now we're at Puelo Sheep Farm, and then we're having fun. We're having a great time. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, the view is wonderful, guys. Pulang ibu. Solo Presiden. Yo Pluto, how do you feel after coming here in this wonderful view?
Very good. First year. Nice place.
Okay.
Travel with our classmate, department.
Okay.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Ibu,
Oh,
how do you feel after coming here? Can you please say something?
So good. I can't explain. I can't express it.
Done. Okay, Kurang.
yeah.
How is it, this place?
Very nice.
This is your second time, right?
Yeah, this was second time.
So, any changes?
Nothing changes. Still green.
Rani, how is it, the place?
It's very beautiful. Negi. Guys, do visit here Puelo Sea Farm. It's very beautiful.
Okay. Chalo. This is chicken department.
Not that really.
Here is our coordinator, and this is our finance secretary. So, anything you want to say? How is it after coming here?
So far so good. I don't have anything much to say, but
How is it, the view?
view
Yeah.
is incredible, I would say.
Okay. Our finance secretary is busy on his work. And our friend here, first semester. So guys, as for now we are here in the inside the farm. Check the view. That's their house. Oh, check it out. There. Check the sheep. This is the farm. This is the main one. The one which I showed you before was there. Was just a view. I think so. Let's go see the sheep. Oh, this is the sheep. Check there. Check there. First time I saw the sheep in my life with my naked eyes. Check it out. One sheep is there. I think he is single. Oh, even there. 4 of them are there. I think because of leech. This is the one. Look at the sheep there.
That's what I've been doing to your students. Whoever is there, if they need something, I talk with them, I respond them, okay? Because once my student means my students forever, no? Wherever I may be, okay? I always have a feeling for you all, love for you all. And the love that you have given me, okay? The respect that you have given me, it's so much more than anything. This college has given me, no? Especially, no?
Chalo, thank you. Slow. How is it?
Tasty.
President? How is it? How is it, bro?
Musty.
Okay. Everywhere? Oh, nice.
Come, Pedro.
Slow. How is it, boys?
Mucha.
Our coordinator, one bite. Slow.
Along.
Alright. Sir.
Hi. So good.
Yes.
Log panay lagi.
Hello. Hello. Đi boy. Slow. How is it? One bite. Chicken. Yes. Hello. Chicken. Perfect. So guys, finally it's time to go back home. Here's the Audiio government school. Here is our bus and one is there. Can you see there? One bus. That's ours. And even this. So it's time to go back now.